Hi, I want to talk about how you can make money on your website. Okay, a lot of people that reach out to me doesn't know that they can actually make money through their website. Okay, in fact, the website is the easiest way where you can make money. Is the easiest way, a very stress-free way you can make money. In fact, in this time and age, you're supposed to have a domain, a website where you can actually make money at ease. Whatever you do, you can actually make money on your website. How do you do that? There's many ways to make money, a whole lot of dollars from your website using a domain, a website domain. Now, it doesn't matter if you are pro on tech, you can actually get those people, website designers, to run it for you. Okay? Tell them the kind of business you do, tell them what you want, tell them how you want it to be, and they will create those and they will design this website for you where you can all easily make your money. Okay, so how do you do it? Now, like I normally say, every of your social media has a space for your website. They have a space for your website. Facebook has a space for your website. TikTok has a space for your website. Instagram has a space for your website. X has a place for your website. So forth and so on. Every of them has a space for your website. So what you have to do is, when your website is being designed, you get all your product there. Whatever you do, there's a place you direct them stages by stages, all your product with your price tag, with every information about whatever you do. You will put them on your website, you will install them, you will display them on your website. Now, when you attach this your website link on every of your social media, okay, now depending on what you do, depending on how you run your social media, depending on the product you sell your social media, this is a very business-minded video. Okay, it's a very business-minded idea. Now, you don't just do whatever, you don't just laugh, you don't just do whatever that doesn't concern what you sell on your website, or on your website, on your social media, and expect people to click on your link. No, whatever you do that can correspond, you don't do left and you have rights on your website. No, it has to correspond. Okay, if you want people to watch the videos, make sure you are also creating such content on your website. Make sure you're also creating it on your social media. So when they want to watch more, when they want to have a lot of more, when they want to have all your product, they can click there. If you are a clothes vendor, or make sure that the clothes is, you post it on your social media. You also have them on your website. If you are a freelancer, make sure that whatever you do, okay, if you are a coach like me, make sure that whatever you teach people on your social media, you also have them on your website. So for people to have more of your product, more of your tutorials, they can click on your website and select more there. Okay. Now, if you used to sell whatever, maybe you used to sell ebooks, maybe you used to sell your teachings, when people click, they will have a whole lot of more. Maybe you're a service provider. When they go there, they will select the service they need. Okay, they will select the service they need, and then they put their price tag and more information about it. They will select the one they need and patronize you there. Okay, so make sure you attach your domain link to your social media where people can easily click and get it. Now, every of your posts can also direct them. Like for instance, on Facebook, you have a space for your website there on your Facebook page. Apart from that, when you make a post about a particular product or whatever you do, make sure you attach the link. Maybe on the comment section, ask them to use the link, or for more information, let them click on the link on your comment section. Okay, so after you make that post, make sure that the first comment of that post should be your own website domain. Let it be a direction to your website. So when they see more of it on social media, when they see a little bit of it on social media and they want to have more, they will just go to this comment section and click on the link. that will direct them to your domain, to your website domain, and there they can relax and make selection of whatever they want. Listen, the more they are going to your you are directing them to your website, you also make money from the time they spend on your website. Yes, the website also pays you, okay, through Google. Okay, Google has a business with website, so the more they are there, Google also pays you for time spent and for services. Whatever they are doing is also giving you money, and they're also patronizing you on your product. So you see, it's a two-way thing. You make a lot of money through almost two ways, from your or more, when people visit your website to patronize you. If you've not gotten a website today, make sure you get one. Attach them to all your social media based on what you do. Make sure it's ready, and then let people click on the link to get more. Whether you are a blogger, people can read more of your news there. Just give them a tip of it. Give them the tip of it. If they want to read more, they should click on the link on your comment section, or the link or on the post you make. You get for them to go to the website domain to have more of it. The more they read, what the website also pays you. They can also patronize you. So you see, it's a very beautiful thing, and in this digital world, it's also needed. Okay, it's also needed for you to have a website so that people can patronize you. So if you've never had one, make sure you get one today. Follow me for more. Subscribe on my channel for more information on how to make money on your social media. Thank you.